Expert cautions world unprepared for climate disasters amid record warming. Heat is driving extreme weather events. 2023 was the warmest year in recorded history, and January 2024 registered as the hottest January on record. In Chile, people observed 2 days of national mourning in early February after a deadly forest blaze in Valparaiso region sadly claimed more than 130 lives. Around the same time in the United States, a catastrophic storm hit Southern California, taking the lives of 9 people. Climatologist Dr. Raúl Cordero Carrasco of the University of Santiago in Chile warned, the frequency of climate-related disasters has dramatically risen in recent years. We are facing climate-fueled disasters for which we are not prepared. Thank you, Dr. Raúl Cordero Carrasco, for your timely warning. May humanity urgently embrace the environmentally smart vegan lifestyle to avoid the worst consequences of climate change in divine mercy.
Turn vegan? Does your conscience tell you that you are a great person?
Reducing animal people meat consumption can lead to economic, health and environmental benefits in Britain, says paper. A recent report by the Conservative Animal Welfare Foundation, or CAWF, in the United Kingdom highlighted the positive impacts of even small nationwide shifts to a plant-based diet, such as switching to animal-person meat-free lunches on weekdays. The study estimates the move would save the British National Health Service up to £2.2 billion annually from a decrease in cases of animal-people meat-related conditions such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, obesity, and cancer. In the paper, CAWF recommends that public catering be plant-based by default and advocates for more education about the benefits of lessened animal-people meat intake. Many thanks, Conservative Animal Welfare Foundation, for highlighting the advantages of reducing animal-people meat consumption. May the gentle British people take charge of their health, save taxpayer funds, and contribute to the environment by simply adopting a vegan diet, in the caring guidance of the Providence.
How can someone who says they worship God and follow Jesus Christ, after a discussion about the horrors of the animal agriculture industry, continue to consume animals? Reverend Pastor Robert Munro, vegan.